The name collagen comes from the Greek word kólla. I'm not sure if I pronounced that properly, but the word kólla means glue, and the word gen, which means producing. Collagen is sometimes referred to as the glue of the body, as it's responsible for holding the body together. Like we talked about earlier, collagen is a protein made up from amino acids. It is the most abundant protein in the body and makes up about 25 to 35% of all protein in the body. Collagen is formed in so-called fibroblast cells and incorporated into complex collagen tissues around the body, including the skin. Collagen is found in the skin, skeleton, muscles, teeth, and connective tissues like tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and blood vessels. It's also found in the cornea of the eye, in the hair, and in the gut. A deficiency of collagen can result in hair loss, brittle hair and nails, saggy and dry skin, and problems with the joint health. It is the shape of the collagen molecule that makes it unique compared to other proteins in the body. The collagen molecule is formed as a so-called triple helix, which means that it consists of 3 strands of peptides twisted around each other, which makes it strong and useful for various tissues around the body, including the elasticity and structure of the skin. The collagen is found under the first layers of the skin in the dermis and stretches the skin and gives it tone and makes the skin elastic. So that's why we sometimes refer to collagen as the skin's natural filler. There are different types of collagen depending on where in the body it is and what function it has. Nearly 28 different types of collagen has been identified. But the most common ones, especially when it comes to skin health, is type 1, 2, and 3. So the majority of the collagen in the body is type 1 and 3, of which 90% is type 1. In the skin, collagen type 1 occurs to up to 90%, and the rest consists of collagen type 3. There is a constant turnover of collagen and a balance between the build-up and breakdown of collagen. The production of collagen is starting to decline from about 25 years of age, and the older we get, the less collagen is produced, and that's why wrinkles appear. From the point where production declines, we lose about 1% collagen per year. Collagen is an incredibly dynamic tissue, and the formation and degradation are controlled by various factors, both internal and external. The great news is that you can actually support new collagen with foods and nutrients. In order to build strong collagen, you need to supply the building blocks and the cofactors needed for producing collagen, and also the phytonutrients to protect from collagen breakdown, as well as avoiding factors that break down collagen, obviously. The main amino acids in collagen are glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These are not essential amino acids, which means that the body can make them from other amino acids. However, by providing these amino acids through diet, foods and supplements can help increase the levels of these amino acids in the body and thereby increase synthesis of collagen. We're going to talk more about collagen from diet and supplements later in the course. Collagen is formed by the enzyme hydroxylase, which requires vitamin C as a cofactor. The minerals copper and zinc are also needed in the production of collagen. So-called phytonutrients can actually help to protect collagen from being broken down. And we're going to talk more about phytonutrients also later in the course. Physical activity can stimulate collagen synthesis. The The force to which physical activity exposes collagen has been shown to strengthen collagen and to protect it from being broken down. Too much exercise, however, can have the opposite effect. As we age, the formation of new collagen in the skin decreases, like I mentioned earlier, and this causes the skin to lose its elasticity and wrinkles to form. Collagen formation can also decrease due to some other factors like hormonal changes, nutritional deficiencies, stress, and some other factors. There are also other factors that can accelerate the breakdown of collagen, for example, smoking, sun exposure, and so-called glycation. And we're going to talk more about sun exposure and glycation later in the course. Collagen is broken down by so-called metalloprotease enzymes, Mmp enzymes. The breakdown of collagen by Mmp enzymes is a natural process. This is how the body works. It recycles tissues by breaking down and building them up. Another example of this is your bones. They are constantly recycled. There are different classes of Mmp enzymes, of which Mmp1, that belongs to the group of so-called collagenases, is one of the main ones to consider when it comes to skin health. Mmp1 also breaks down elastin, and as you know, elastin is another very important protein in the skin. Apart from age, some external factors increase the activation of Mmp enzymes, which may increase the breakdown of collagen. One example, as we mentioned earlier, is UV radiation from the sun, which creates something called photooxidative stress. When the skin is exposed to UV radiation, Mmp enzymes are activated and break down collagen.